Trading is closed on July 27th, 2018. Last night we gave not really a prediction, but kind of a list of all the technical indicators. So it was inevitable that some would work and some wouldn't. Let's go over what we said and see if we can come up with something for Monday. We had a few possibilities. One was that we would immediately trade over this high and then reversed. That never happened. The other one, we said if this level, which had been tested a number of times, broke, that would be negative. Well, that one happened. We had a pattern with an early low and a late high. That's what this is. Here's the counter trend move. The pattern has a tendency to rally all day long. Obviously, a tendency isn't a guarantee, and that didn't happen. Typically, when you don't rally all day long, if you don't gap over this high, lower prices print Monday, but that doesn't mean that we have to close lower Monday. The other prediction we had was that these numbers would print at some time. We just didn't know when. Well, we got two of them. Two is better than none, I guess. Let's see what happened during the day. As you were dropping, MEJT said the move would not stick, gave us a target of 28, 36.49, most likely by early Tuesday. As we're plummeting like this, MEJT said a strong rally was coming at some point. The signal is described on page 120 of my book. It's highly accurate, but unfortunately it doesn't say from where the rally begins. Here was your strong rally. MEJT says it won't stick, gives us a target of 28.1198. That's close, but not close enough, and it's most likely to be seen before Monday's close. So here are these signals generated from the day's pattern. Now it's no secret that I'm waiting for this up move to end at some point. This, to me, isn't strong enough yet to say this up move's over. In fact, this is a support level. There are a number of things giving support here. For one thing, here's the gap. All we did was fill the gap. You can see that line, same as this low. We filled the gap and immediately had a bounce. Furthermore, the bounce took us over a technically significant level. The rule I have is when you drop in a straight line to support, you either gap under the level or support wins. So when we have higher and lower targets, you're making a guess somewhat for Monday. I have a wish list more than a guess, and what I'd like to see is to have us drop at the open, satisfy the target. Monday's pattern's the one with the early high, so after dropping at the open, I'd like to see us rally, hitting this level by early Tuesday. But again, when you have conflicting indicators, it's a wish list more than an actual prediction. And as always, a strong gap can kill the prediction before the open. So the general call is these are the targets. For them to work, we should ideally drop, hold this level, and hit this on the recovery. That's my wish list. We'll see how we open, and we'll see if it works, and that's today's call.